In this week's edition of Altcoin Roundup, I'm going to go over Ethereum, Iota, OMG, Icon, and Elrond. What's going on, guys? Randy here with another daily crypto video. This week in Blockfolio Signals Altcoin Roundup, we're going to go over Ethereum, Icon, Iota, Elrond, and OMG. But first, with some other stories real quick. So Ethereum's Mandala testnet suffers outage, then relaunches. Tether is moving $1 billion USDt coins from Tron to Ethereum. Transfers of Polkadot's DOT token are now live. Bitcoin is now bigger than Bank of America by market cap. Total value locked in DeFi has climbed to $6.7 billion. A pro-Bitcoin Senate candidate has won her Wyoming primary. Just a few macro crypto pieces of news this week. So let's get into Ethereum. So Ethereum was referenced in the U.S. Postal Service voting system patent. The patent application was published on August 13th and focused on a voting system that can use the security of blockchain technology. A registered voter receives a computer-readable code in the mail and confirms their identity and correct ballot information. The system separates voter identification and voters to ensure vote anonymity and stores votes on a distributed ledger in a blockchain. In some embodiments, the platform is based on the Ethereum open software platform or similar platforms. So voting is an interesting use case for blockchain technology, and the patent application from the U.S. Postal Service shows there is real interest from the government to implement such a system. It has the potential to increase voter participation by making it easier to vote and eliminate fraud by storing votes on an immutable ledger. This move could pave the way for increased usage of the blockchain technology in elections worldwide. This is something that I've thought for quite some time now. It just makes too much sense to have voting on the blockchain where things just can't be tampered with. I think it's a great move. You're going to see it, maybe not in this election, but most certainly in the next election 4 years from now. It's inevitable. That's going to happen. So it's a step in the right direction for the U.S. and hopefully other countries follow in their footsteps with this. Iota. So Iota launches the Chrysalis Phase 1 to Mainnet. The first phase of Iota 1.5, also known as Chrysalis, the Mainnet's intermediate stage before core decide, is complete. Chrysalis Phase 1 is a set of components improving the reliability, performance, and usability of the Iota network. The components are based on core decide research, with the whole network upgraded to Hornet nodes, improved tip selection, milestone selection algorithms, and the addition of white flag. The network can support over 1,000 TPS, as from around 40 prior. Huge upgrade there. The average confirmation time of transactions on the Iota mainnet should now be at least 8 times faster than before, with milestones being issued every 10 seconds instead of around 80 seconds. Tokens should now go from one wallet to another in a matter of seconds rather than minutes. This improvement makes the Iota network capable of serving a significantly larger number of use cases and business partners simultaneously, bringing them one step closer to an enterprise-ready network. So Iota making some big strides in 2020 after some bad news earlier in the year with hacked wallets, stuff like that, but they're beefing up security and taking things to the next level. So Iota making moves. OMG network used by Tether to achieve scalability on Ethereum. So OMG network saw a nice spike in their OMG price, and that's because they are tackling a problem that is had with Ethereum, which is scaling, and OMG is stepping up to the plate. So OMG Network, a trustless non-custodial layer 2 scaling solution for transferring value on Ethereum, announced that users can withdraw and deposit Tether to Bitfinex via its value transfer layer. This will help to reduce Ethereum congestion and gas fees with improved transaction speeds. Implementation of scalability solutions such as this benefits the entire Ethereum ecosystem. It significantly reduces the costs associated with using Ethereum, empowering growing ventures, and boosting innovation. This is going to be massive for OMG because, Ethereum is the number one blockchain right now, number two by market cap, and it's just, if you can reduce congestion on Ethereum and make it just easier to use and to scale, huge. That's massive for OMG, and of course Ethereum as well. So Icon integrates Magic SDK and launches MyID with Jeju Island. Here's a quote: "We are excited to announce that Formatic successfully integrated the Magic SDK and passwordless authentication and private key management solution in the ETH ecosystem with the Icon public blockchain. Icon developers can now create an easy user onboarding experience with dApps." Icon making massive moves, launching MyID. It's one of their biggest projects, and to see it come to fruition after a few years, after surviving through that bear market, and Icon's one of those that is still undervalued. It's an all-time high price of $12. It got down to, I believe, 19 cents. It's been, hovering around 40 cents or so, and now broke out to about 65 cents or so. And this is one that has so much room to grow. So Icon announced the successful integration of the Magic SDK, a popular passwordless authentication and private key management service in the Ethereum ecosystem, into the Icon public blockchain. Icon's extensive ecosystem combined with Magic's easy onboarding solution will expedite the mass adoption of decentralized applications in DeFi, gaming, security tokens, NFTs, and more. South Korea's Jeju Island selected Icon Loop for a private, secure COVID-19 contact tracing solution. The new blockchain-based mobile app ensures health and safety to Jeju Island's 15 million annual tourists while protecting personal identity and privacy. Visitors will use a mobile app to check into tourist destinations and businesses on Jeju Island. In the background, a verifiable credential is issued via a public blockchain. So as bad as this virus is, Icon saw the opportunity, to seize the moment. They were going to release this MyID anyways, and what better time when the world needs it the most, which is right now. The integration with Magic SDK to the Icon network will benefit the user experience of all the decentralized applications built on South Korea's largest blockchain project. The cooperation with Jeju Island is opening new possibilities for real-life application of blockchain DID authentication in the post-COVID-19 era. Both have the promise to increase adoption of Icon. Elrond, always in the news. So Elrond adds DIA oracles to boost DeFi products. Elrond DeFi products and smart contracts will now be able to access off-chain and cross-chain information via DIA oracles. Elrond blockchain data will also be made available to DIA users. Information about DIA smart contract status, tokens, and transactions will also be available via DIA for integration in non-native Elrond DeFi, prediction markets, and other use cases. The integration is important for Elrond ecosystem because it enables new DeFi use cases, either built on the Elrond mainnet or using Elrond assets on other platforms. This will accelerate DeFi growth on Elrond and increase demand for EGLD as an underlying asset. So, awesome news for both Elrond and DIA. DIA is a brand new Oracle solution, and it's awesome to see them making partnerships already and jumping in, feet first, not wasting any time, getting partnerships. Huge for the new DIA project. Good one to definitely look into. So, that's the weekly roundup. If you guys hold any of these coins, let me know down below. What's your favorite? What are you accumulating? What do you think? I mean, what do you think price predictions will be? Some of these projects here were older projects like Icon or OMG that maybe haven't had the pop off yet, like the DeFi space, and they're primed and ready to, get some new price action. So let me know in the comments what you guys hold and what you think. Before I let you go, if you guys have not downloaded the Brave browser yet, it is just like Google Chrome. It's built on the Google Chrome framework. You can download Google Chrome extensions, things like that. The main difference is Brave, it'll block trackers and ads, saves you on bandwidth, saves you on time. When you click certain ads that are geared toward you, mostly crypto related that I've noticed, you'll get paid in basic attention tokens. So far this month I've earned almost 22 basic attention tokens at $8.99 value. When BAT gets to its all-time high of almost $1, that's $21 I earned just for using the Brave browser. Not too shabby. If you guys want to try it out, there's a link down in the description, and I will see you tomorrow for another daily crypto video.